Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog life jackets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Outward Hound Granby Splash Dog Life Jacket. The Outward Hound Granby Splash Dog Life Jacket is perhaps the most popular option on the market and has all the safety features you would want in a pet flotation vest. It is made of durable Ripstop materials, with thick foam side panels to provide excellent buoyancy and a neck float to keep your dog's head above the water, ultimately keeping your Fido safe. Plus, a neoprene belly band for optimal comfort and adjustable chest and belly straps to achieve a snug fit. Additionally, it has dual grab handles, making it easier for you to pull large and heavy dogs out of the water. It also has reflective piping to help keep your fur kit visible at all times. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vivaglory New Sports Style Ripstop Dog Life Jacket. The Vivaglory New Sports Style Ripstop Dog Life Jacket is another top-rated life jacket for dogs that you can consider. Not only does it look good and sporty, but it also won't hinder your dog's movement. It is made of 600D Oxford cloth with additional buoyant material to help your pups stay afloat. Combined with a thoughtful, strategically positioned neck design to provide more space for your dog and keep them in a natural swimming position. Additionally, this dog life jacket vest features a rescue handle and a heavy-duty fastening system around the belly and neck to secure your Fido. It also has reflective trims to provide added visibility in and out of the water. At number 3, we have the Roughwear Float Coat Dog Life Jacket. Is your dog a water sports enthusiast who loves a wide range of water activities such as swimming, rafting, boating, surfing, and kayaking? If so, look no further than this higher-end doggy flotation device Roughwear Float Coat Dog Life Jacket to keep your fur kit comfortable for long hours of wear and ensure that it can stand up to rough use. It is made of top-notch water-compatible webbing to provide stability in a wet environment. Coupled with strategically placed closed-cell foam panels designed to let your dog swim naturally and keep them in an upright position. Plus, a strong, low-profile handle on the back allows you to pull your dog out of the water. This life vest for canines also features a telescoping neck closure, meaning you can easily adjust it to fit dogs of all shapes. What's more, it has reflective trims and an integrated light loop, where you can attach beacon light for enhanced visibility. At number 2, we have the Paws Aboard Dog Life Jacket. Want a life jacket for small dogs? Check out the Paws Aboard Dog Life Jacket, which the XS and XXS can fit toy breeds with neck sizes of 10 to 18 inches like Chihuahuas and Yorkies. And when it comes to picking a life jacket for small dogs, sizing is not the only thing you have to consider. What's equally important is the materials used, as you don't want it to end up being too bulky for your cute little friend. This flotation vest is very lightweight, made of quick-dry, breathable neoprene fabrics, and flexible material. It also has an advanced breathable mesh underbelly to prevent heat exhaustion and allow for proper water drainage, plus adjustable straps and ventilated Velcro closures to achieve a snug fit. Additionally, there's a top rescue handle that gives you the ability to pull them out from the water, and its bright color and reflective strips on both sides make it very easy for you to locate your dog. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kurgo Surfin Turf Life Jacket. The Kurgo Surfin Turf Life Jacket is a multi-purpose dog flotation device that serves as a life vest and a 3-season coat. Guess what? You can also remove the floating layer to double it as a raincoat. It features 2 transverse handles for quick and easy rescue while 2 metal D-rings for leash attachment. It also has 2 side adjustment points with quick-release buckles and adjustable chest and belly straps to achieve a customizable fit. Plus, it comes with reflective trim, making it easy for you to spot your dog from farther distances. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.
I will get back to you as soon